Hello friends, welcome back to Alfas Tech. And today in this video I am showing that how to tune your image as a cartoon avatar. And now it's very trending in our Instagram and other social medias. And so in this video I am showing that how to tune your image as a cartoon avatar as same in this our video. And without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to a video. And at first you want to download a application and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that here you can see all of the images from your gallery will appear by this application. And after that here you want to select one of the photo which you want to tune your image. And here I am selecting one of my brother's photo, and after that I am selecting one of my photo. And after that here you can see a cropped image, and here you can size your face to you in the cropped image. And after that you want to just click this OK button. And after that here you can see a loading procedure, and just wait till this procedure ends. And after that here you can see they will ask to buy a premium version, or otherwise you can also skip this option from the top of this application. And after that here you can see more of the options like tuning your image like this, and by scrolling the left to or right, and there are more of the premium versions also available. And after that here you can see a new option like this, cartoonified your image. And after that you want to just scroll your photo and just zoom out. And after that if you want to crop it to your neck by like this, you want to just go to the erase option from the top of this application. And here you can see you want to remove, and there you can see thickness, brush and blur. And at first you want to select your thickness, and after that just draw this brush through the removing part of your body. And after that just remove like this by doing like this in your device. And after erasing the parts, and here you can see option blur, and you want to just increase the blur size and just draw it here from like this. And or otherwise you can also undo it, then you can also skip this blurring procedure in this step. And after that just click this apply option in the top of this application. And after that here you can see our image has been cropped or removed perfectly. And after that you want to just adjust the size of your face by pinching your fingers like this, and after drag this head to the position of the neck, and you can also adjust the size from here like this. And after that keep it is in a perfect manner. And after that you want to just click this apply option in the top of this, and here you can see the Tune app logo and save Instagram, Facebook and other applications. And here you can just select this option save. And after that here you can see our image has been saved perfectly. And now let's go back to our home screen, and now let's check how to remove the logo or the Tune app logo from your device images. And just scroll down and open your Snapseed application in your device, and this app link also given in the video description. And after that you want to just select the image which have been saved recently. And after that here you want to zoom this to the Tune app, and after that you want to just select this tools. And after selecting this tools option, here you can see option healing, and just select this healing and just draw a brush line from this Tune app like this. And after selecting this you can remove all this Tune app logo from here and just click this. And after that just zoom out, and here you can see our image has been perfectly saved. And after that just click this export and save, and here you can see our image has been saved perfect. And after that you want to just select this export and click save. And after that here you can see our photo has been saved perfectly, and you can set it as in your WhatsApp DP, Instagram profile, stories and etc. And it's now trending now, and I think you have enjoyed our video. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.